Hello everyone, welcome to Shishual. I am Priya and today I'm going to share with you guys the easiest brownie recipe ever. It needs no fancy gadgets and within 10 minutes you can do all the preparation and then it just needs baking. It's so simple that you can measure out all the ingredients and then tell your kids to do the mixing bit. I make this recipe very often for my own daughter and she loves it, and it is a fail-proof recipe. It comes out great every single time. So do try this recipe and let us know how it goes for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. And share it with your friends, your family, so that it helps us reach more and more people. And so without any further ado, let's get on to the video. To make these brownies, we are going to need 3 by 4 cup of plain flour. This is maida. 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. If you don't have powdered sugar, just blitz regular sugar in your mixie. 3 by 4 cup of oil. Half cup of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. 3 eggs. Quarter teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of salt. So before we start the actual mixing process, you must do some prep. So preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius and we will grease the baking tin. So just take some oil and grease it thoroughly. I've already greased it, I'm showing you again. So just use a brush to grease the bottom as well as the sides. There's no need to flour this tin here. So now let's start the process. Add the oil. It's 1.5 3/4 cup of oil. I'm using the measuring cups, the standard measuring cups here. And to this oil we are going to add the sugar, 1/4 cup at a time. Don't add all the sugar in one go, and then whisk it to completely mix it together. So keep whisking it and ensure that the sugar is completely mixed. So here we have added all the sugar. The sugar has been incorporated. You don't really have to use a electric beater or anything, just hand whisk will do. So once you're happy with mixing the sugar, now we will add eggs again one by one. So add one egg, then mix it well, break it, ensure that it gets incorporated well with the oil and the sugar, and then once it is done, then add the second one and then the third one and keep mixing it to make a nice yes. So here we've added all the liquid ingredients. Now we will mix the solid ingredients in a separate bowl. So I have added the flour, cocoa powder, salt, and I will add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. In brownies, we add very little baking powder. In some recipes, you will see that they don't add at all. So we will sieve all the powder ingredients together so that they get mixed well, and that it will also ensure that there are no lumps in it. So everything is mixed well. Now we just have to mix it with the liquid ingredients. So again, add little amounts at a time and then keep mixing it with the help of the whisk. So it's looking nice and chocolatey. Little by little at a time. And just whisk. It's very, very easy. Now we've added everything together. It's looking so nice and gooey. So once you're happy with the mixture, we have to pour it into the prepared tin. And as I said, the oven should be preheated at 175 degrees already. So this preparation takes you like 10 minutes, not more than that.
Now we will put this in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So once after 25 minutes, take it out, check in the middle, in the center of the brownie for whether it is completely cooked or not with the help of a toothpick. If it is still wet, then bake for 5 more minutes. So now we've taken it out. You can see there are cracks in it. It is looking wonderful. So all that you need to do is just cut it, and you don't really need to cool it completely. Brownies taste delicious when they are warm. You can serve it with a hot chocolate syrup, or with a scoop of ice cream. It's very yummy, and it's a fail proof recipe. Do try it, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel. We will see you again very soon. Bye.